welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you what's in my bag. So I have it right here, but before that I would like to introduce myself. Hi, my name is Jackie. I hope you hit that subscribe button to be notified whenever I upload a video, which is every Friday. And I've been weekly vlogging lately, so you can follow that, and I upload those on Tuesdays. So now that I got that taken care of, why don't we see what's in this bag, shall we? So I've done a what's in my bag video before. I can link the last one right here, but this one is a little bit different. I currently don't own that bag anymore. Since I moved to LA and couldn't take my whole bag collection with me, I had to leave some behind, and instead of collecting dust at home in a box, I donated that bag to my cousin, and now she's using it, so at least it didn't go to waste. So for this what's in my bag, I have this one, so I thought I'd talk a little bit about it, but I'm gonna put it down because it's quite heavy. But I did buy this bag I think a week ago now, and I really love it. It's technically my first designer bag purchase because it is a Betsy Johnson, and I researched it on Google and it says it's designer. I mean, it's not a high-end designer like Chanel, Chloe, Givenchy, all those kind of bags, but it is designer a little bit. I mean, it is a $98 bag, and that for me is a little bit steep, but it isn't $98. I actually got it on sale for $20. Yes, this bag was only $20, which I can't believe either. That is such a steal. So I ended up buying my first designer bag, and it's really exciting. I went to TJ Maxx, and I wasn't going in there to like buy anything. I just went to look around, and then I saw this bag. It caught my eye, and I was like, that is so pretty. That's like me in a bag. Like, if you see this bag, it's literally like me in a bag. It's pink, it has bows, it has floral. I actually have shorts in this exact same print that I can insert a picture of me wearing. They're like my swimsuit kind of shorts, so they're really pretty and they match exactly to that print. So if this was like, if I was a bag, this would be it. I went in there. I decided not to get it at first, so I went out, looked around at all the other shops, and then I couldn't get this bag off my mind. It's from almost $100 down to $20. That was like such a good deal, so I went back and stood in a long line and ended up purchasing this bag. So I now own a designer bag, so that's exciting. I said in my what's in my bag video last time that I hoped I would get a designer bag, and I guess a year later I did end up getting it. So I love this bag, and I'm gonna show you what's inside. It's currently really packed because I went on a few day trips with it. So I went out to the Beverly Center, the Grove, and then I just take it with me to run errands, and then I went to Target with it. So it has a lot of stuff in it right now, which it depends on the day. Like, I take some stuff out and then I put stuff in, but this is what I have in it right now. It's like a real what's in my bag of what's actually inside here, so I can actually show that to you now. Here's the bag. It's really stuffed right now, and I can like put an overview of what it looks like. This camera and the tripod it has on it, like the Manfrotto kind of like vlogging tripod, fits in here perfectly. And when I went to the Grove 2 days ago, I had it with me and I vlogged my day, so that would be weekly vlog number 3. I'm editing that right now, but this camera I'm filming on fits in here perfectly, and I love that it can fit in there, so I don't have to like carry it around and look like, what is she doing with a huge camera? So yeah, that fits in there perfectly. It has a lot of compartments, but in the middle has a zipper compartment. So in that are my 2 iPhones, so I keep that in there so they're protected. And I also have some headphones in there, that just the standard ones that come with my iPhones. That, and then inside there as well I have some sunglasses. These are from last summer. Zoffel sent it to me. I think I'm pronouncing that right. It's still in its plastic container it was shipped in. I don't really take good care of my sunglasses. That's why I'm not allowed to own a designer pair, because I just throw them in my bag. So these are like my summer sunglasses, and I love the pink and reflectiveness. So these are the ones that I've been wearing lately, so that's why it's in there. Then I have my wallet. This is my coin purse kind of wallet. So in here it just has, let's see how much money I have. Oh, I have $10 and a lot of coins. I should be like putting these coins in a piggy bank because they weigh my coin purse down, and then it weighs my bag down. So I have this, and then in this pocket I have, oh, my Philippine driver's license. I still haven't gotten my California one yet, so I just have my Philippine driver's license, and I have an international driver's license as well. So that is what's in this. And I also have another card wallet in here. I like my wallet, it's my card wallet, so it has my credit cards and a few other cards. This is where my license is supposed to go, but I keep it in this because I've learned my lesson. I lost my wallet before, and I lost my whole entire credit card, license, everything. So I keep them separately. And that is the last thing in this like middle zipper compartment. I now can go on to the back side of the wall, back side of the bag, which has my electronic pouch. I got this at an event 2 years ago, and it's still my handy dandy trusty pouch where I just keep all kinds of electronic stuff in it. I have my power bank to charge my phone since I'm always on LTE scrolling through Instagram. I need one of these, and this was so helpful on my flight here to LA. Then I just have my lightning cable, and then I'll just show you all kinds of like camera accessories. I have a few batteries, memory cards, the lens cap to this camera, and this like what is this, like a lightning camera connection kit. I got it like in Palawan, so I put my memory cards in here, and I can just like plug it into my phone and import my footage or my photos onto my phone or my iPad. So that is that. And then it just has another pair of random headphones, a pen, and that is everything in that. I call it my like gadget pouch. I had one before, and now it's in like this pink kind of thing. Then I have a Sephora sample. So I've been testing a new foundation. This is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I have the wrong color, so they matched me with a white color. I have nude. I need light beige since I got a little more tan here in California. So I have that in there because I went to Sephora a few days ago, and they offered me a sample to test out in different lighting. So yeah, that is what I have on today as well. So that was everything in the back pouch, but there is a zipper pocket here in the back, and that holds some quarters and my keys. So I needed quarters to do laundry tomorrow, so I got those at the grocery store yesterday. And then these are just my house keys. It has my gate, all that, and this little keychain I got in Baguio. It's just a green catcher, and it says Baguio on it. And yeah, I have like a little memory of the Philippines with me and my trip to Baguio that I went on. Oh, and this key ring is like a pink heart too. So it was on my key in the Philippines, so I took it with me here to put on my keys here in the US. So that goes in there, and then that is the back side of the purse. So if I take it out, you can see that is the back side, and we still have the front side, which has still a lot of stuff in it. I carry a lot of stuff. This is why I use a small crossbody bag, because this thing can get really heavy because I like to like lug everything around with me. So next we have a makeup pouch. This is like an old makeup bag. It used to have a giant pink bow on here, but it fell off, so it doesn't have that anymore, but it's really pretty. I think a cousin gave it to me for a birthday 1 year. So inside it just has my current lipstick that I'm wearing. This is my go-to. It is the Sleek Matte Me in Shabby Chic. I have it on right now. I really love this color. It's like my go-to color. I hope they have it here in the US because I love this shade. Or if not, I have to order it online. Then I have another lipstick. I only have 2 lipsticks in here for one. So this one is in Bittersweet. It's also a sleek matte me lipstick, and I really like that. Then I have a lip balm because they're both matte lipsticks, and I just need a lip balm. So I have the EOS one in Strawberry. The last thing in here, makeup wise, is a bobby pin stuck to my MAC powder, and this is in medium plus. I got it back in makeup school and I still love it. I use it, and I have a Happy Skin Glam Squad, powder brush. So those two go together and I really like it. I really need to clean this, so I should take it out and clean it before I put it back in my makeup bag. So that was everything in there besides a bobby pin that fell. We have more is my bow. I was going to change out my bow when I used it last. So this is the Free People silk bow barrette. It's really pretty, it's huge, and I love it. So I have that in there because I was going to change my bow the other day, but I forgot to. Then I have an empty water bottle. I drank all the water. I got this at the 99-cent store. It's really handy and I can use it. I just fill up with water and I take it with me, and I love that a bag can handle this because I drink so much water. Then we have my planner. I got this the same time I got this bag, and it's really pretty. It says 2019 and it has all the tabs. It's really sturdy. It's a spiral. It has all kinds of stuff in it. I haven't used it yet, but I'm going to. I think I know I had a pen in here with it, or did it fall out? I did have a pen with it. It did fall out. So I got this for my birthday, I think last year, and it's just a hot pink pen with different colors and a ballerina charm, because when my cousin saw this pen he thought of me, so that is good. I had it in here but it fell, so I carry this around when I need to. Sometimes I don't because it really is big and bulky. So yeah, I got it at TJ Maxx again. This was $10. So last thing in here, oh no, there's 2 things. This is my internet bill, so I'm going to not show you that because it has my address, but I just paid it, so that's why it was in there. And last is my iPad. I have the iPad Air. Yeah, only the iPad Air. It's the first generation of it, and I need a new case for it too, but it goes everywhere with me, and I'm glad I have a bag now that can fit an iPad in it. So at least it fits it, but my laptop doesn't fit inside this, which I wouldn't want to put my laptop in here because it would be even heavier. So this is how I hit myself in the face with it. This is my bag. It's very light now that it's empty, and I guess I can talk to you a little more about it. So again, as I said, it is Betsy Johnson. I've never heard of it. I haven't seen any of her stuff. I just saw this in TJ Maxx and I fell in love with it. As I said, I love the top handle of it because I can wear it like one of those pretty things, like when you're posing for outfit pictures. So I have it on my arm, and then it has another strap which I use on my shoulder, but I can't do it crossbody because it's really big. I forgot to take off the spot tie on it. I thought you needed it there or else it would not stay together, but it's because it's new, and also the bag tag right here, it still has the spot tie, so I need to remove those. But that is the bag. Inside of it, now I can show you, it is a pretty white and it has hearts all over it and stripes, and it's just a pretty pattern, and it has a few pockets in it which I like. It has a middle pocket which has a gold zipper, so it closes, and then here in the back it has another zipper to close, and then it just has a cell phone pocket up front. The only thing that I don't like about this bag is it's not really secure. So it only has a snap closure right here, so you can reach into it unless you put something in the zipper pouch. So that's the only negative I see with this bag so far. I've used it for like only a week now because I've only had it for a week, but I really like it and I wanted to show you it. And yeah, this is it. And I love the bow detail. This like has little bows right here. From afar away you probably see it as polka dots, but if you look closely it has little bows, and you know me with bows. I have one on today and I pulled out a bow from my bag, so I really love bows. I really love this bag. I love everything about it so far. The print, the design, and everything. I really love it. And this heart like little tag detail, like this is just me in a bag. Like I said, if I was to be transformed into a bag, I think this is what it has, all my personalities in it. And I'm really happy that I bought a designer bag. For me it's a designer bag. Maybe to you watching it isn't, but for me it is, and I really like it. Maybe I'll buy like an actual designer bag now that I live here in LA. I don't know yet, but you never know. My next what's in my bag might be a designer bag that I have on my wish list. So that is what is inside my bag. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll leave everything down below, and if I can find this bag I will link it as well. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone.